We're on our way to pick up a new car. It's going to be a nice project car for the channel, but it's something me and him have been talking about for
8 years now?
Yeah, close to 8 years, about picking up a car and doing a project. And yesterday we went and looked at the car. The body is in phenomenal shape, so we just said even if the motor blows in this car, we're going to swap an LS in it or put a different motor in it from the same car. But body was phenomenal, so we're basically going there for the body. It looks awesome. It does drive, so once we're there, we're going to give you a quick walk around the car. It does need a few minor things in the body, like the grille and passenger seat, but we're going to be buying new seats anyways. Front bumper I think is fine. I think it's just sagging from some dumb shit, but yeah, once we're there, we're going to give you a quick walk around, but we're definitely stoked in this build. Extremely clean body. Hood needs work. It's carbon fiber hood, but the clear coat on it is destroyed, as you can see. It's just done, so we're gonna sand it down and repaint it. The grills, it did come with grills, but I think it came from a 1996. 97 to 99 were bigger grills. The ones that came with it are slightly shorter, so they don't fit. Bumper here is a little bit warped, which is odd, but I think it's because there's a piece back here that's not making it sit flush. Easy fix. Pop the hood, but peep the body. There's like no swirls or anything. It's like this car was just repainted. Sunroof works, which you should have closed because it's open. Everything works. The only rust spots that we found were right here. That's not really a big issue. We can always send down and redo it, or we could wide body. So yeah, and then rust here on the trim, and that's about it. Everything else is clean. So here's the heart of the beast. As you can see, everything is clean. There's literally no rust anywhere. This is a crazy find, dude. We legit got a crazy find. Carbon fiber, as I said. It did come with these dampeners. I don't know why he didn't install them. Guess they don't reach, but we'll make it reach. I'll drill some holes on the side right here, and that should be fine because they're still strong. Shit. But yeah, we'll do that. But yeah, we got an E36. I'm thinking I'm gonna throw all this shit away and order black seats for the rear. 2 front seats will be Recaros, or like knockoff Recaros from eBay. This thing has to be fixed. It has the clips and all, it just doesn't want to sit in there. Oh well. But yeah, missing seat here. That one's just destroyed. I'm also going to order a short shifter because this one's so flimsy and already messed up. So we're going to order a new one. Back seats, they're okay, but they're just dirty. Sunroof works. It works, doesn't leak. Awesome. We're going to order a control panel to put it in there so it's not this ugly ass thing. And then basically go from there. Change that out for black. Possibly change all of this for black, just have it all black on black. I think I can just wrap this. But yeah, this is the interior, you guys. I'm showing it to you guys now because it's gonna look completely different soon. We're gonna be doing so much work. Steering wheel is gonna be taken off. Side doors will be changed to black. Everything's just gonna be changed to black. This color combo is alright, I guess, but black with red would look so sick. I already ordered the grills. The ones that the guy gave us are actually too small, as you guys can see. These new ones are from 97 to 99. The 96 or 92 to 96, they were a lot bigger. So the bumper's from a 97, but this centerpiece is from a 96. So as you can see, the bumper's like squished up, and that's because this piece is much smaller. Like if you look at the side fenders, it tucks in a lot when it should be a little bit flusher on both sides. The left side right here, it tucks in much more, as you can see. So this piece was definitely bigger, and once we do that, the bumper should even out and go up closer to this piece. Or it might be the crash beam underneath. I'm gonna take everything apart, check it out, but I already ordered the new grills, ordered new tail lights, and that's about it for now. Oh, and about to order seats.